3 hacks for Valentine's. 3 hacks that won't break the bank for less than $5. You can treat somebody, and it could be a loved one. It could be someone who you care about, a friend or anything. In 1 Corinthians 13, it says love is patient, love is kind. If you can just remember those things, that's what love is all about. We're supposed to be kind. There's more to the story, obviously, but let's be kind to each other. Let's show each other that we care. And I think 3 things that you can do that is buying chocolate. Everybody likes chocolate, and it doesn't have to be, okay, not everybody likes it, but most people like chocolate. I think that chocolate is a great gift at Valentine's. This Marcona almond Simple Truth that I got at Kroger's or Fred Meyer, wherever you're at, it's lower in sugar, so it won't, they also have like a 80% higher quality that's even less sugar. So if you're looking for something to stay on a health plan, but you know, you could have a couple squares. This is breaking it down into squares. It's much tastier than, you know, regular Hershey's, but it's okay if you like that too. This is an option for somebody who's a diabetic. This ketogenic peanut butter cup. I would say if you have a lot of digestive issues, maybe stay away from that. One of my second items would be a pen. Maybe I have 4 actually. Friction pen. One of my favorite pens. Oh my goodness. Life changer. You think the old erasable pens, watch this. You can literally click it. It comes in different colors. I can erase it. It will be completely gone in no time. And it comes in pink, purple, black, blue, real blue, not just turquoise blue. But I use them all the time. You can do math with it even, so that's what I like about those. And then I would say lip gloss. Chapstick, lip gloss, something like that. Chapstick for the guys. Please don't be wearing that Carmex, you know, out there that tastes awful. And this is much healthier for you. Burnt Bees is a good option. That's what we like to use at our house. Or I like this one too, EOS. All less than $5. You can get a pack of them, break them up. Make a little cute card that says, hey, for those kissable lips of yours, you know, or something cheesy like that. You know, everybody likes that. Don't underestimate a handwritten card. Man, some of my favorite gifts that people have given me, that my husband has given me, has been a handwritten card that he's bought a card, but then he wrote something personal in it. And I think that's special. And I think that's something that we overlook, and we think it has to be expensive, extravagant, but it doesn't. Last on the list, flowers. This is actually a bulb, and it can be reused over and over again. I like it because it, you know, it shows it as it's progressing and growing, and you can cut this off and save it for next year and regrow it if you want to. And it's so awesome to see the flowers open up. It doesn't have to be real flowers. It can be something that you create, but it can also be something. I have seen bouquets different places like Dollar General for like $3.98, $5, less than $5, I know. And so you can get a couple of roses or something like that and break them up. And you can, there are ways to make it inexpensive. Now, some of these items might be great for your man in your life. Like the chapstick, the chocolate, obviously everybody likes that. Another thing that you could get is their favorite beverage. That's something that me and my husband have done. Sometimes it was just like, oh, I'm going to get him a Coke. It's not something that we buy all the time. We don't keep it at our house, but that's his very favorite drink. And so just writing a little note on there and making it special. And then it could be a Starbucks gift card or something like that with a handwritten note. And that's another way to not break the bank for less than $5 for Valentine's or for a birthday or something like that. You can treat somebody and make them feel special. Don't forget, love is patient, love is kind, and it's not self-seeking. And that's the main thing, is let us just do something that's going to bring joy to someone else, and let's think about something that they would enjoy and that they would like. Hey, I thought I'd share a quick and easy hack for lunch, something that we do sometimes, and it's called a pizza bowl. I basically have ground beef cooking here on the stove, and I'm gonna I added a mushroom. You can add onions, black olives, whatever you want. You can add some pepperoni to it, and then you're gonna top it with a little bit of sauce. Make your own sauce. I just like to put some garlic powder, salt, and basil's my favorite for pizza, and I'll add that to the sauce. I also put it in the meat. You can put oregano or Italian seasoning also, and then top it with your favorite cheese, mozzarella, Parmesan mix, or whatever, but I got this provolone from Aldi. Anyway, quick and easy, very fast, maybe less than, maybe 5 minutes, tops. Just keep some ground beef in the fridge, and you can do so many things with it. Hamburger meatballs, pizza bowls, kids like it. It's a great, easy food to cook. And this is the final product of the pizza bowl. I put a little spinach in mine too. I thought I would share with you guys about our kids. They've been doing martial arts as a part of our homeschooling journey and part of their physical education. And right now they're testing for the belts in judo. They have previously done kung fu and judo, and also they're just awesome. They're really having a great time with judo.
Are you filming?